I'm totally overwhelmed and I'm not ready for it. I thought, there is a video, Presiding Bishop says, in the College of Bishops at the right after the election that says, you guys think you know what you're entering into because you had been a priest for a long time. No, you have no clue. It's a career change. I didn't believe him.
Yeah, I didn't believe it either when somebody told me. Yeah.
So I think it is a career change, but it's an exciting change. Wonderful people that I'm walking into in Idaho, what I've gone through, getting to know the people in the Diocese of Idaho. My gosh, it's an exciting, exciting time.